In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Cornerstone by Hillsong Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the song Cornerstone by Hillsong Worship. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to learn in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro of the song. We're on capo 2. We're going to be playing G shapes, the key of A, and we're going to start things off with a little riff here. So it all is based around this G chord right here, but the tab for it is right here. It sounds like this. So that's the intro. Let's move into verse number 1. Here we are in verse number 1. I'm just going to play it through because we're playing pretty standard chords. So the chords will be right here, and it sounds like this. My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. I dare not trust the sweetest frame, but wholly trust in Jesus' name. And when we go to this G, we're going to play another instrumental part, lead line. The tab will be right here. We just landed on this. It sounds like this. And then we're going to go into verse number 1 again and just repeat it. So I'm not going to play that again. Let's head into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1. This is a quiet chorus, so we're going to be playing some thin chords, and at the end of this chorus, we're going to be playing that lead line that I just showed you. So watch out for this. The chords will be right here. It sounds like this. Christ alone, cornerstone, weak made strong in the Savior's love. Through the storm, He is Lord, Lord of all. Into verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We're going to be playing chords that are pretty similar to the first verse, but we're going to make it a lot louder whenever we jump the octave at the end to head into a loud chorus. So watch out for that. Chords will be right here. Sounds like this. Darkness seems to hide His face. I rest on His unchanging grace. In every high and stormy gale, my anchor holds within the veil. Loud here. My anchor holds within the veil. Into a loud chorus. Here we are in chorus number 2. I don't feel like singing up the octave right now, so I'm just going to sing down the octave, but this is like the loud chorus. So you'll see that reflected in the chord shapes, which will be right here. Follow along. It sounds like this. Christ alone, cornerstone, weak made strong in the Savior's love. Through the storm, He is Lord, Lord of all. Into an instrumental. Here we are in the instrumental, and it's going to be pretty much exactly the same as the instrumental that we played at the beginning of the song, except we're going to play it over not just a G chord, but also an E minor chord and a C chord. So you'll see that in the tab right here. Follow along as I play it. It sounds like this. To the E minor. Number 3. Here we are in verse number 3. This is a quiet verse, so we've moved the chord shapes up. The chord shapes will be right here as I play it. It sounds like this. he shall come with trumpet sound. Oh, may I then in him be found, dressed in his righteousness alone, faultless stand before the throne. Into another instrumental. Here we are in the instrumental right before the final chorus, and we're going to be playing the chord shapes that we played really in the first chorus with a slight change for the G over B. I just want to show you the chord real quick. It looks like this. So we're going to be playing that G over B during this part. I'm going to put a tab up here because I think it's easier to read for this part. But these are the chord shapes that we're playing. I'll play through the instrumental. It sounds like this. Here's the G over B. So play one more time, and then back to a G, headed into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, and now we're going to take that instrumental part that we just played and play it underneath the chorus. So this is what it sounds like in context. Christ alone, cornerstone, weak made strong in the Savior's love through the storm. He is Lord, Lord of all. And with this instrumental, congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Cornerstone by Hillsong Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Obviously, this song like builds and builds and keeps going, so you can do whatever you want as far as arrangement goes, but that's how I played it in the cover that I did. If you don't know who I am, my name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post worship leading tips every single day over on Instagram and Facebook, and of course here on YouTube. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook yet, go follow me at Leading Worship Well. I'd love to connect with you there. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on future worship leading videos just like this one. But other than that, until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.